What did you do? How did you get up here?
I can counter.
What?
I counter.
You're on the counter? How did you get on the counter?
I know.
You don't know.
I know.
It's not funny. We don't climb on the counter. You need to get down.
No.
It's dangerous. Josephine,
What? What's that?
water.
I feel like that on me.
Josie, you need to get down off the counter.
No. Like that.
You need to maybe have a timeout for climbing on the counter. Hey. Hey. All done on the counter. All done water.
Where do I go?
Loveys are on the floor.